Hello, Edison art students. I'm Ms. Bourne. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides to do a fun and simple online art project. Now I added this picture of my cat Scooter Pie because I'm going to walk you through every step. When you're done, your page in Google Slides will look something like this one, except of course with different colors and different shapes. Before I show you, I'm going to tell you what each step is. Step 1, you'll draw 6 different shapes. Take a look at this shape. It's a free form shape with all straight edges. That's 1. The second free form shape, you'll use a different line tool and draw a free form shape with all curved edges. The other 4 shapes must be geometric, and you'll use a shape tool for that. Step 2, you probably already know how to select and fill a shape with a color. You'll use 6 different colors. Step 3, you just change the background to a gradient. Step 4, you rename your Google Slide file. See where it says 6 shapes? You keep that part, but you change the last part of the file name to your first name and your last initial. Now I'm going to show you the steps. We are in Google Slides, so look at the top. You're going to find a line tool. Click on that little tiny triangle and select Polyline. This is fun. You click and drag, and it's fun and easy to make a free form, straight-edged shape. Come back to where you began, click, and you've got a shape. Now, I go back to that line tool and I'm going to select the one that says curved. This is a little tricky. You might have to practice with it a little bit. First it looks straight, but when I click and move the mouse, it automatically curves the line. So make yourself an interesting curved free-form shape. Same thing, come back to where you began, click, and you've got a shape. The next step is to add 4 geometric shapes. I go to the toolbar at the top and find this tool that says Shape. Click on Shapes. I'm going to randomly choose 4 geometric shapes. I hope you have fun looking around to find different shapes. 5-sided shape. I'll add a polygon, click on shapes again. I'll choose an arrow. Now I have 4 geometric shapes, 2 freeform shapes. I'm going to make my arrow a little bit bigger. The color is totally up to you. This is selected. I go to the paint bucket and I choose a color. You can change the outlines if you want, or you could just leave it the way it is. The colors are totally up to you. I'm going to click on my curved freeform, turn that one blue. I'm going to click on the straight-edged freeform shape and turn that one purple. If I go to arrange, I can bring it to the front. Next step. We're almost done. Next step. In the toolbar again, please go to background. Click on that. Where it says color, click on the little tiny triangle. Not solid, choose a gradient instead. I will choose a blue kind of gradient and say done. Now your shapes and your colors can look completely different from mine. That is perfectly okay. The very last step. The file name is in the upper left. If I click and drag, I'm going to keep 6 shapes, but I'm going to change it to my first name and my last initial. I'm going to learn how to animate that same slide in the next art lesson. If you are a little bit confused, please re-watch the video. I hope you have fun making art with Google Slides. I'll see you here next time and you'll learn how to make an animation. Bye.